Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I picked up a metal flower from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we could use one of the little metal round signs from the Dollar Tree to make a stem for the flower. Now it does have a hanger on here. I'm just going to use pliers to take that off. And I kind of wanted to take the entire thing off so it wouldn't get in the way. So I just kind of twisted around that part on the back of the petal, trying not to cause any damage on the petal itself. I like the blue color of this one already, so I'm going to kind of go with that. I love the blue for spring. I do just want to add some fun details to it. Now for the stem, I thought about painting it green like a stem for a flower, but I thought it would be even more fun to wrap it in twine. So just starting at the top, I'm just going to wrap the entire thing with twine all the way to the base. So it doesn't really matter if you get the white sign or the black sign like this. You're not going to be able to see that part of the sign anyway. The metal circle on there is just the right size to kind of hide behind the flower and give you a way to attach it. Now I burned off the fuzzies there on the twine, but I thought I could also make some little leaves out of the twine as well. I thought that would be really cute. So I'm going to cut a piece of twine that I can kind of circle together like that to make a little leaf. So I just glue it together like that. I thought about doing this with the wired twine from Dollar Tree, but when you work with smaller pieces like this, the wire always likes to come out. And this actually kept its shape pretty well. So I just glued that on. But then I decided I wanted a little bit more detail on it. I wanted like the vein to go down the middle of the leaf. So I cut out another piece of twine and just kind of glued that straight across like that. I think that looks really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do another little leaf here for the little flower stem. So I'm going to cut another piece down. This time I'm going to go ahead and just add the stem first. It's easier that way, adding a second piece of twine to go right down the middle. And then I can attach that. I'm just gluing these to the back of the stem. And I'm going to have this one kind of go up a little bit. I think they're really cute. I like the base on this. I thought about covering it with some moss, but I kind of like the simplicity of it just being wood. For the center of the flower, I'm also going to use the Dollar Tree twine. I just start in the middle with some hot glue, and I'm just going to start working in a spiral all the way out. It provides a great center. These metal flowers, sometimes the centers don't look great, but I think that a little detail like this can really make it look cute, and it's going to tie it in together with the stem and the leaves. I'm also going to distress it a little bit with some white, just kind of working my way out. It's kind of a soft color already, but again, I really like to distress these. I burn off any fuzzies there on the leaves and the center part of the flower with my lighter, and we can put this together. Now, I know metal does not like to hot glue, and this is metal and metal. So what I decided to do was to use some of the double-sided tape from Dollar Tree. It's pretty strong. In addition to the hot glue, to make this stronger, and I just attached this like this to cover the metal circle. That's when I noticed that you could really not see the top leaf there. So I am going to move that down a little bit so you can see that better. I can just use my heat gun here, peel it off, move it down a little bit where you can see it a little bit better, and glue that to the back. But I think that was a really easy DIY for spring. And how beautiful is this? I love it. So if you see any of these little metal flowers, they have several different varieties. This is kind of the smaller one versus some of the larger ones that I have from Dollar Tree. This is a fun idea of a way to display it. Give it a little stem, some leaves, and it stands up on its own like this. So that is really pretty as well.